Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make different color macarons in one batch. First, prepare your macaron batter as usual, stopping before you add any coloring. This plain base is crucial for consistent results. Once your batter reaches the perfect consistency, gently divide it into separate bowls. This allows you to create multiple vibrant colors from a single batch, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Remember, gel food coloring works best for intense hues. Now that your batter is divided, it's time to add the color. Carefully fold in your gel food coloring, one color per bowl. Be gentle and avoid overmixing, as this can deflate your batter and affect the final texture of your macarons. Once each portion is beautifully colored, transfer them into individual piping bags. This keeps your colors separate and ready for precise piping onto your baking sheets, ensuring clean, distinct macaron shells. With your colored batters ready, pipe uniform shells onto parchment-lined baking sheets. Aim for consistent size to ensure even baking. After piping, let your macarons rest at room temperature until a slight skin forms on top, which usually takes about 30 minutes. This step is vital for developing their signature feat. Then, bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven, until they are set. Once baked, allow your macaron shells to cool completely on the baking sheets before attempting to remove them. This prevents breakage and ensures they maintain their perfect shape. Now comes the fun part: filling. Choose your favorite fillings, like ganache or buttercream, and pair them with your colorful shells. You can mix and match for a truly stunning presentation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your beautiful, homemade multicolored macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.